Kids Flow TV. Hello. Today we're gonna learn about vehicles and different animals. Hello kids, I'm the brown cat. Look what happened to all those cars. Someone jumped on top of them. For example, this red lorry has got a white dog on top of it. The blue lorry has got a zebra on top of it. The red pickup truck has got a green dragon on top. The yellow platform truck has got an elephant. And we got a kangaroo in front of the orange dump truck. Hey, what is this? Oh no, this is an earthquake. Oh, what are we going to do? The earthquake has turned all the cars upside down and also made all the animals lie down on the ground. The kangaroo has even got stuck underneath that dump truck. Wait, it looks like the kangaroo is trying to get out. Help me! I'm stuck here! Please somebody help me! The kangaroo was really lucky because the orange giraffe has heard somebody shouting for help. I am here, kangaroo. I will help you. I will try to pull you out from there, okay? The orange giraffe has tried his best, but he was not able to pull the kangaroo out. Kangaroo, I can't pull you out. I'm gonna run to get help. Please, white police car, go and help them because the kangaroo is stuck underneath the dump truck. Helicopter and red fire truck. They need some more help. Please go and help them. Go and save them. The white police car was able to lift up the dump truck and save the brown kangaroo. Thank you so much! They have turned over the yellow platform truck, but it fell on the poor zebra. Wait guys, the big truck fell on the zebra. Let's go and help him. The red fire truck says we're not gonna be able to lift up that truck, that is too heavy. We need some more help. Maybe we need to help the other animals first, and together we're gonna be able to help the zebra. Come police car, let's go and save the other animals first. Let's help them, let's make them stand up. Okay, no problem, said the white police car. First they helped the gray elephant, then the white dog. Now it's time to help the brown kangaroo, says the white police car. Now all the animals gathered together around the yellow platform truck to save the zebra. Yay! We have saved the zebra! But look what just happened! Now the white car is stuck underneath that huge truck. We were so lucky because the zebra was really kind and helpful and so strong that it was able to move both of the vehicles and save the white police car. The animals said thank you so much white police car and red fire truck for your help. That was really kind of you. Hope to see you next time. See you guys. Hey! Hey kids, we need to help all these animals find their trucks. First, let's help the gray elephant find its vehicle. Which is your vehicle, elephant? Is it the orange dump truck, the red lorry, the yellow tow truck, or the red pickup truck, or the blue lorry? My truck is the yellow tow truck. Which truck is yours, white doggy? My one is the red lorry. Whoa, whoa. White zebra, let's find yours. Blue lorry. Hey zebra, are you okay there? Let's get back and stay on the top of that lorry. Yeah, if you're tired, we don't mind if you're gonna lie down on that blue lorry. That's all good. Brown kangaroo, I think your vehicle was the orange dump truck. Green dragon, let's go back to the red pickup truck. Now it's time to go for a ride, brown kangaroo. Let's drive the orange dump truck. You're next, white doggy. You can have a go with the red lorry. Who's gonna be next? Oh, I know. It's the gray elephant. He's gonna have a go with the yellow tow truck. Let's go and have fun. See you later, elephant. Now here comes the red pickup truck with the green dragon head on it. You are lost, white zebra. You can drive or have a go with the blue lorry. Wait, it's probably better if you fit at the back of the lorry.